want to show you guys really quickly how you can change the battery on this AirTag. What you need to do is kind of just like push it down a little bit, and then you're going to rotate it counterclockwise, so this way. So you push it down, you give it a little spin, see that? And then it should just pop right off. And then you can grab the battery and replace it if you need. The batteries are the CR2032. I'll drop a link to this in the description if you need it. To put the battery back on, what we need to do, it's pretty simple. Put in the battery. And then make sure that the teeth here line up with the things on the bottom. Let's see. There it is. Okay, let's push it down, and then you just twist it clockwise to lock it in place. And that is how you change the batteries on the Apple AirTag. So this helps, guys. If you could, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.